You can design it the way you like. Welcome to the camp. First, wash my hair. Apply the shampoo. Rinse it, please. Oh, use the hair dryer. Can you brush it? Great! Take the scissors and cut it. Can you braid my hair? Super! Great! Now this side. Okay! I love it! Some final touches for a perfect... I look amazing! Thank you so much! Select your bonus coin! Welcome to the camp! Let's make a s'more! Let's toast it! Wait for a few minutes. Awesome! Now set the chocolate and marshmallow. Place the other cracker. Press it down. Can you make it more delicious? It's time to taste it. Oops! It was very tasty. Thank you. Welcome to the camp. Let's make some lemonade. Slice them all. Can you do more? Put fruit into the mixer. Pour in some water and add some ice. to be the parrot.